How to create Cameo Selfie on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video we will learn how we can create Cameo Selfie on Snapchat, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the very end. In order to create Cameo Selfies on Snapchat, you want to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application first, and then tap on the profile icon from the top left, and then here you'll find the gear icon on the top right, or you can scroll down all the way to the bottom. You'll find the option called Create Cameo Selfie. You can just go ahead and tap on the Create Cameo Selfie button. Now you want to go ahead and make sure to position your face in the center of this, so just go ahead and make sure to position your face just like that. And after you position your face, you can just tap on the option called Create My Cameos over here. After you tap on the Create My Cameo button, you can choose your gender, so I'll just select male and I'll tap on the Continue button. Now it says Creating My Cameo. Now you'll be able to see that it is going to successfully create our Cameo Selfie after this process has been completed from the bottom. So as you can see that our cameos has actually been created. Now if I come to the cameo section on our Snapchat app, you'll be able to see all of the cameos that are related to your profile. That's all it takes to create Cameo Selfies on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.